It's time to talk about that stubborn, annoying low back pain that never seems to go away. You know, the one you can literally press your thumb on and feel that deep ache? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it for good, step by step. And more importantly, how to make sure it never comes back again. No matter how much you sit, squat, or deadlift. Stick with me till the end because this is not just random stretches. This is the real fix that actually works. First, let's get one thing straight. Most people think it's their lower back muscles. But for many people, that sharp pain you feel is actually coming from a small muscle called your glute medius, the one hiding under your big glutes. Why does this matter? Because when your glute medius gets weak or tight, it stops doing its main job, keeping your hips level whenever you walk, squat, or even stand on one leg. When it can't hold you stable, your hips tilt, your lower back overworks to compensate, and boom! That nagging pain appears every time you bend, lift, or sit too long. So here's how you know if this is you. Stand up tall. Put your fingers on those two bony bumps on your lower back. Now move your fingers just to the outside. If pressing there triggers that familiar ache, congratulations, you've found the problem. All right, let's fix it right now. No fancy equipment needed. Step 1. Lie down on your side. Step 2. Take your thumb and press into that tight spot on your glute medius. You'll know you're on it when it feels tender. Step 3. While pressing in, bend your top knee, lower it to the ground, then kick your leg back behind you. Point your toes down and lift your leg slightly up and back. This is where the magic happens. What you're doing is called pin and stretch. Your thumb holds the tight muscle in place while the leg moves it through its full range. Do this for 10 slow reps. Every rep, imagine you're ironing out the knot. Take your time. Slow equals better. When you finish, stand up. You should feel instantly looser and lighter. Now here's the honest truth. If you don't strengthen this muscle, the pain will come back. So let's train it the smart way. Exercise 1. The wall hip drop. Stand side on next to a wall. Put your elbow or forearm against the wall for balance. Lift your inside leg up so you're balancing on your outside leg. Now, let your hip drop slightly. Feel that stretch? Then squeeze the side of your hip to lift it back level. Hold for 1 second, then repeat. This teaches your glute medius to hold your pelvis level. Exactly what it's meant to do every time you walk or squat. Do 2 sets of 10 reps each side. Slow and controlled. If you feel a burn, you're doing it right. Yeah, the name's funny, but it works. Take a weight, a kettlebell or dumbbell. Loop it through a belt or a bag strap. Hook it around your hips so it hangs between your legs. Now just walk slowly for about 30 seconds. Every step, your hips have to stabilize that swinging weight, forcing your glutes to work harder than ever. You'll feel it working deep in your hips and glutes. Try this for 2 to 3 short sets, especially before leg day. It's one of the best warm-ups to bulletproof your hips and low back. Finally, here's a super simple daily drill. Lie on your side. Lift your top leg straight up and slightly back, toes pointing down. Hold for 2 seconds, squeeze the side of your butt hard, then lower. Aim for 15 reps each side, once a day. Consistency here is what keeps that nasty pain away for good. Look, if you sit a lot or lift heavy, this muscle is going to get tight again. So do these 3 moves 3 to 5 times per week, or daily if your pain is bad. Fixing this tiny muscle fixes your posture, makes your squats and deadlifts safer, and keeps you strong and pain-free. And if you've ever struggled to stay consistent, here's my best advice. Don't overcomplicate it. Do one small thing daily. Your back will thank you for years to come. Alright, if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more real fixes, not fluff. Hit the bell icon so you never miss these step-by-step solutions. Stay strong, stay pain-free, and I'll see you in the next video.